What is it?
What's it say?
Barnes & Noble gift card.
Yay!
$25.
Are you excited? That's a lot of money on there.
Yeah.
How much?
What is it?
You
For what?
25 for
It's for Barnes & Noble. It's $25.
A nibble?
I hope
Barnes
you enjoy
&
your
Noble.
birthday and all that
You get the book there.
that goes with it. We just don't get enough of them in our lifetime, so thoroughly enjoy. Love you lots, Krista. Thanks.
Don't open this one.
Wait, what do you mean love you lots, Krista? Wait,
Krista.
She's in the shower.
Krista! She didn't have time to
How pretty. It's very pretty.
Krista,
Love the paper.
I love it.
Hey, I'm on videotape. Stop whining. She'll see after. Stop.
Another box! Okay.
Here.
Do you need some scissors?
Yeah.
Hi, Sophie. Are you watching?
See you, Aubrey.
Hi, Sophie.
You might want to
Oh,
come back.
Sophie gets a string.